TV Akawungeezi nze Solomon Kaweesa. Katutandike butereevu n'abakulembeze b'ebibiina ebyegattira mukago gu IPOD abamaze okwevumba akafubo mu bagenda okuteeseza ku nsonga ez'enjawulo omuli erikwatagana ku nkuŋŋaana ekya gavumenti okuvujjirira ebibiina by'obufuzi ensonga z'aba independent n'endala nnyingi. Wetujjidde ku mpewo nga Pulezidenti Museveni kyajja atuuke mu kaseera katono emabega era kankulage katono ku biryo ng'omukulu awo w'emmulengera Norbert Mao.
Has shown scant regard for democratic principles of inclusivity. As a result, key tenets of the Constitution meant to break the cycle of violent changes of government have been sacrificed on the altar of political expediency. Mr. President, I was surprised to hear a 7-year-old musician called Fresh Kid complaining that you also have not led him well. Ironically, he's making enough money to build a house for his father. He's paying school fees for his elder siblings. So why would he say that he feels that he's not being led well, despite obvious material advantages that he has gained? Surely, Mr. President, there must be some intangibles that Ugandans are yearning for. I think on the tangibles, there may be a lot to show. Let me hazard a guess. I think we need a new national consensus. In response to our call for an open debate on political transition in the last summit and an era after you have departed, you have argued that Uganda should focus on economic transformation and the unity of Africa. What your position ignores is the fact that development is not an abstract practice immune from politics. You yourself wrote in the 10-point program that the political question must be settled first before issues of economic development can be tackled. The grand infrastructure projects and massive programs aimed at enhancing household incomes and enterprise development, which we actually appreciate, shouldn't be an excuse to depoliticize development. What matters is that there should be no crackdown on those with an alternative vision. Impressive economic figures from our Ministry of Finance belie the fact that on the Human Development Index, Uganda remains among the poorest countries of the world. The rate of job creation is too low to absorb the young people who join the job market each year. There is a huge gap between policies and their implementation, with corruption taking the shine away. Unless there is a radical change of path and pace, the goal of Uganda reaching middle income status by 2020 will definitely not be achieved. We are not blind to the reality that democracy requires compromises and dialogue, including with those one sees as the enemy. Dialogue and the requirement to make compromises makes all of us uncomfortable. I'm sure this is more so in the case of an organization like the NRM, which has a commanding majority in parliament and most elective organs. And yet, any reluctance to engage in serious and meaningful dialogue with the opposition will leave the NRM prone to majoritarian and authoritarian politics. Sadly, this has been the case in matters of constitutional amendments, the latest being the lifting of the age limit. As a result,
Mao, President w'ekibiina ki Democratic Party, yabadde awa okwogera kwe mu lukuŋŋaana olwo olwa IPOD